Exploring Los Angeles in 48 hours. Hey there, travelers. Welcome back to our channel, your ultimate guide to exploring the world one destination at a time. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Today, we're diving into the City of Angels, Los Angeles. Got just 48 hours in Los Angeles? Don't worry. We've got an exciting itinerary that'll make every moment count. Day 1. The glamour and glitz. At 8 a.m., breakfast at the original farmers market. Start your adventure at the original farmers market. Established in 1934, it's a foodie paradise where you can enjoy hearty pancakes, fresh fruit bowls, or gourmet coffee. At 9:30 a.m., Hollywood Walk of Fame. Stroll along Hollywood Boulevard and spot your favorite stars on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Don't miss a photo op at the TCL Chinese Theater and explore the Dolby Theater, home of the Oscars. At 12 p.m., lunch at In-N-Out Burger. Savor the classic Southern California experience with a double-double and animal-style fries from In-N-Out Burger. At 1:30 p.m., Griffith Observatory and Griffith Park. Take in breathtaking views of Los Angeles and the Hollywood sign at Griffith Observatory. Inside, explore exhibits or enjoy a hike in Griffith Park. Pro tip: binoculars enhance the observatory's telescopes. At 5 p.m., dinner in downtown Los Angeles. Wrap up your day with dinner at Grand Central Market. With its international cuisines ranging from tacos to ramen, this vibrant food hall is a culinary gem. Day 2. The beach vibes. 7:30 a.m. Sunrise at Venice Beach. Begin your second day with a peaceful sunrise at Venice Beach. Stroll the boardwalk, admire vibrant street art, and soak up the local culture. 9 a.m. Breakfast at the Butcher's Daughter. Refuel with a plant-based breakfast at the Butcher's Daughter in Venice. Known for its fresh and healthy options, it's a great start to your beach day. At 11 a.m., Santa Monica Pier. Head to the iconic Santa Monica Pier. Enjoy the Ferris wheel, street performers, and scenic ocean views. Treat yourself to a churro or ice cream while you explore. At 1:30 p.m., lunch at Blue Plate Restaurant. Indulge in fresh seafood at Blue Plate Restaurant near Santa Monica. Their oysters and lobster rolls are highly recommended. At 3 p.m., explore 3rd Street Promenade. Shop at trendy boutiques. Listen to live music or people watch at the lively 3rd Street Promenade, just steps from the pier. 5:30 p.m. to sunset at Malibu. End your Los Angeles journey with a sunset at El Matador Beach in Malibu. Its dramatic rock formations and golden sands create the perfect backdrop to reflect on your adventure. From Hollywood's glitz to Malibu's serene sunsets, this 48-hour guide showcases the best of Los Angeles. If you loved this itinerary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Have you been to Los Angeles or plan to visit? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.